What is depreciation and how does it affect your commercial insurance claims? Are you worried your business won't get enough money to replace equipment or property after a loss? In this video, we're going to break down how depreciation works in commercial insurance and how it impacts your claim payout. By the end of it, you'll know how to protect your business from unexpected shortfalls. What is depreciation in commercial insurance? Depreciation is the reduction in value of your business property, equipment, or inventory over time due to age, wear and tear, or becoming obsolete. In commercial insurance, depreciation is a key factor in determining how much you'll actually receive after a covered loss. For example, if your business owns a delivery van, computers, or manufacturing equipment, those items lose value every single year. Insurance companies use depreciation to calculate the actual cash value, or ACV, of those assets at the time of a claim. How does this depreciation affect your claims? When you file a property claim, your commercial policy will pay either actual cash value, or ACV, the cost to replace the item minus depreciation, or replacement cost value, RCV, the cost to replace the item with a new one of similar kind or quality with no deduction or depreciation. Example, let's say your business's 5-year-old commercial oven is destroyed in a fire. If your policy pays ACV, the insurer will estimate the oven's value today and not what you paid for it 5 years ago. Let's say you pay $5,000 for a brand new oven, but today its actual cash value is only $2,000. Your payout will be the $2,000 actual cash value. If your policy pays RCV, or replacement cost value, you'll get the full amount needed to buy a new oven of the same quality regardless of the oven's age. Depreciation can create a big gap between what you expected and what you actually received after a loss. If you have ACV coverage, you may not get enough to fully replace your equipment, inventory, or furnishings, especially if they're several years old. This can lead your business with unexpected out-of-pocket costs, slow down your recovery, or even threaten your ability to reopen after a major loss. Here's how you can avoid depreciation surprises. Review your policy. Know whether your commercial property insurance pays ACV or RCV. Replacement cost coverage is usually better for most businesses, but may cost a bit more. Keep good records. Maintain an up-to-date inventory list with purchase dates, costs, and photos. This helps the adjuster calculate depreciation accurately and can speed up your claim process. Update values regularly. As you buy new equipment or upgrade your property, let your agent know so your coverages keeps up with your business's needs. Depreciation is a major factor in commercial insurance claims. If your policy pays actual cash value, you could get less than you expect for older property or equipment. To protect your business, consider replacement cost coverage and keep detailed records. Talk to your agent to make sure your policy matches your business's needs so you're not left with a financial gap when you need to recover from a loss.